Hope you're having a great day, guys, and I hope that I can make it even better just by showing you how we can get free FC points. Of course, in FC Mobile 26, your team will not be the same anymore. The grinding days will simply be over, and you can get it for both iOS and Android devices. So stick till the end and see how it is about. So I just want to mention, guys, that I've tried a lot of methods, and actually none of them worked. And as soon as I saw this whole tutorial on Reddit, and I was just so eager to try it out. I stopped trying them out for a couple of months, but now as the World Cup is here, I want to go with an FC Mobile 26 and get those free FC points, of course. I mean, who wouldn't? So let's go to the store section so that we can see it all propelling up like that with the FC points that you can get for absolutely free in FC Mobile 26. Forget about the store section. Now, let's jump straight into action. Let me show you how we can get those free FC points in FC Mobile 26 for both iOS and Android devices. Just make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. Now open up your browser and search for appspatch.com. On appspatch.com, people, what do we have here basically is over 173 apps available, even more. So you can check out any of them that you like the same way we will be checking out FC Mobile 26. But for now, let's not lose our focus. Let's go ahead and grab those free FC points. So enter your username like that. Select the platform that you're on. And now, guys, select the FC points, the amount of the FC points. You can also select the gems, but we are here for those FC points. You know how important they are, the most important resource in the game. Now we're waiting for the whole protocol to be completed. And if you see this, guys, congratulations, you have received your free FC points in FC Mobile 26. But it may occur, guys, that you will be redirected to one further step where you will need to verify your mobile device just by answering some simple questions and following those instructions right there. Don't worry, the whole process won't take longer than 4 or 5 minutes, even with that additional step, but it will all be worth it because you will have the free FC points at the end of it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See ya.